good. What if you see little...
Mommy, I can make it.
Hmm? It looks good, guys. Okay, Megan?
Durango Joe. Old days.
Ooh, fancy. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. We were gonna tell them as soon as we got. We were just gonna come and look at it.
We're riding the train. We're riding it.
So what do we need?
And I can't see them.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
You guys excited to get to ride it? Yay!
Oh no. Oh, it's okay. I didn't know you could pay it online.
Please. He's trying to do
It's not
the
very
eye
obvious
thing.
at all.
What do you guys think? We're riding a train.
Yes! But why did you trick us?
We're trying to surprise
We didn't know we had to
you.
pay to park.
Yeah, we didn't know the lady was gonna ruin it.
She didn't ruin it.
She ruined it because we were gonna go, oh, let's just get on. And then you guys are gonna be like,
Oh, do I need to turn around?
Yes!
Cole's kind of freaking out a little bit. He's acting mega weird.
It's gonna be his first time on a cruise.
I know, this is gonna be a real deal train, dude.
Yeah.
Are you so excited? We've been watching it all week, and Daddy and I have been so excited to tell you, but we wanted to keep it a secret.
And you guys didn't even know we've got these tickets back when we were staying at that BLM lands by the sand dunes.
What in the world?
We've
You
known
had to.
all week.
You had to. It was. We were gonna try to do it the weekend we got here, but it was sold out.
It was sold out.
It was. There was no spots.
And that's the only reason we stayed in Durango, because we almost left. But we knew we had the tickets and we wanted you guys to go on it. So yay!
Look at how cool. Why are you scared? Look at the cool guy with the beard. It looks like Daddy's driving. This is what you wanted to see. Look,
Just like when Mommy and Daddy were before.
yourself. You want me to hold you?
This is Wooden. Thank you for bringing us on the old steam.
You're welcome, baby.
Raise trout and stuff and then release them into the water. Right here. Oh, wow. Cool.
Think it's cool?
Whoa, whoa. I have a very good protection.
talking about. Now we're ripping.
Getting what?
Super clouds! Oh my gosh. Are we done? Are we done, Emily? Yeah.
What? Ice, baby. Little thing on it.
Yeah.
Do it.